Welcome to The Import, where we explore insightful topics to help you unlock your full potential. In today's video, we'll delve into a concept that challenges conventional thinking. It's not being selfish, it's being self-full. Society often perceives investing in oneself as selfish, as if it means neglecting others. But here's the truth. By focusing on self-improvement, you're setting the stage for something extraordinary in your future, your dreams. Being self-full means recognizing the importance of investing in yourself, whether it's taking care of your body, nourishing your mind, or expanding your knowledge through online courses and education. It's about making conscious choices to enhance your well-being and develop the skills needed to thrive. However, it's essential to understand that this journey may be misunderstood by those around you. They might perceive your focus on personal growth as selfishness because you're not sharing every detail of your life with them. But here's the truth. You're not being selfish. You're preparing yourself for something big in the future. You're investing in yourself, honing your skills, and accumulating experiences that will propel you towards your dreams. The path to success often requires sacrifices and dedication. It's about putting your dreams and aspirations at the forefront and giving them the attention, time, and financial resources they deserve. Remember, being self-full is not about disregarding others or being self-centered. It's about taking the necessary steps to build a solid foundation for your future success, allowing you to make a greater impact on the world around you. So the next time you're labeled as selfish for investing in yourself, remember that it's not selfishness, it's being self-full. Embrace your journey, embrace your dreams, and continue to prioritize your growth and personal development. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking exploration. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's embark on a journey of self-fulfillment and unlock the extraordinary possibilities within us.